What's up, guys? It's your boy Big Samo back again with a video. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of all the parts that I ordered in the last couple of months. I got an intake, downpipe, and catback from ETS. I ordered them a couple months ago while I was in Qatar. I'm back home. This is the new crib, new house. I'm gonna get you guys a house tour at some point. We're still in the moving process. The place is still kind of messy. So once it's a little settled down and I have everything a little cleaned up, I'll make a video of a house tour, show you guys the new crib. But here are some of the parts right now. I got the big box with the downpipe and then the intake right there. The catback is upstairs in the main living room, however you want to put it. It's up there. I had to take it out the box, so it's already unboxed. I was a little excited, and it wouldn't fit in my car to get it from my friend's house back to my house. So I ended up taking out the box, stuffing it in the car, putting all the other parts in there. We're going to be installing them soon. There's going to be videos of it. It's most likely going to be a 3-part video of all the parts going on. Yeah, I'm going to start opening the box, showing you guys what's in them and what it looks like. In the background, I got Adam OZ in the background. You know, nothing too crazy. What time is it? It's 12:36 right now. I'm tired. I still haven't really gotten any real good rest from flying in, but yeah, let's get to unboxing these boxes, show you guys what's in them, what it looks like, because I don't even know what it looks like in most of these boxes, except for the catback, because I already opened it. But yeah, let's get to unboxing it. Alright, now first I'm gonna do the intake. I'm excited for this one. So you guys can see my face. I don't really have a good setup in here yet for everything, so let me just go ahead and just start cracking stuff open. Oh my god, why not know how to cut? These boxes have staples on them to make sure, since they're so expensive, if the tape comes off somehow, nobody's able to cancel them, I guess. They have these big, giant staples on them. There we go. Let's see, hang on. Film on that TV. Yeah, peanuts. Box. I'm assuming this box has the filter in it. Let's find out. I'm assuming it's the filter box. Definitely has to be the filter box. It's too small to be anything else. Let's see. Or maybe it's hardware. But I think it's filter. I think it's gonna be the filter. Okay, yep, that's what it is. This filter is huge. Got the filter, ETS filter. Yep. Can't hold it on. ETS on the logo. There we go. Box. Got the air box. Gonna be installing it. It's like, I think, $100 more for just the air box. I guess it'll be worth it so we don't get any heat soak when the car's on. Got a sticker and parts. Got the MAF sensor plug extender, I think it is. And then we got clamps, more peanuts. Got some piping stuff. And now, the real thing, more the actual piping right here. And we got, I think this is to plug in the MAF and everything, so we don't get a check engine. To here, I'll unwrap it for y'all. There you go. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know the technical name for this, but I know the MAF plugs into here when it goes into the intake. I don't know the technical name for it. The board is a scrub. But that's that for the intake. I'll have to kind of back up. Place it down. See anything else in here? Nope. More peanuts. Slide it away. Slightly bigger box. I recorded me opening the cat bag, so there's gonna be clips of that after or before all of this. So open this up. Same thing, staples. So I'm gonna have to rip the box open. Go ahead and start ripping. Ooh, this one's nice. Okay, this is packed really strangely. Look, this is also how the cat bag is packed. It's all, there's no dents. It's pretty smart. Did the welding on that. Welds, sick welds. All right. Now let me try to take it out for you guys, so you can see before we install it tomorrow, probably. Okay, there you go. Out of here. I got a V-band. I know the other one was a Vibrant V-band for the cat bag. V-band and some parts. I'm pretty sure there's instructions in here. And I don't know what this is. I think it's a CD. I want to know. Can you guys want to know? Because I want to know. I don't know what's in here. What's this? Gaskets. One gasket. Because it's going to need a gasket for when it goes to the... When you put the... Jesus, I can't even speak. When you put the cat back... When you put the downpipe on the headers, that's going to need it since it's not... I don't have aftermarket headers yet. So, I have the catted downpipe because I still have to do emissions. She's a girthy. She's girthy. Whoa. Silence. You guys can see inside. You can see all the cat stuff in there. Usually costs more to get stuff with a cat, so that bong hole on it. I don't know why I wouldn't put this. Put it on top of the popcorn. Peanuts. We got the rest of it. Hear that? Ooh. Hello. She's loud. She makes noise. I believe these are all 3-inch. I don't think they make anything smaller than 3-inch. I think it's just 3 and up, possibly. Don't quote me. I don't know. But that's it. Put this back in the box. Put this one back on top. Be friends. Don't know. Put those back. I have TV wrappers and stuff in here. Place is a mess. I'm gonna take you guys upstairs and show you the cat bag. All right, I'm in the light skin like a motherfucker. Hear me? Yeah, young light skin motherfucker. Yeah. There's some good lighting in here because there's no light over here. But this is the dining room area. I'm not gonna show you guys. It's sloppy, but the cat bag is up here. I have it kind of lined up how it's gonna go in the car. Show you guys. So, got the ends. You know what I'm saying? Wide pipe, mid pipe. Pretty nice. It's gonna make a lot of noise. Can't wait to install it. I got the burnt tips, the blue tips. A little peek. Blue tips. Look at that, shiny. I have blue tips on the axle back now, but since they're so old, it doesn't look good. But this is what it's gonna look like, I'm assuming. Got this. I'm wondering about this, because I might need a gasket right here. because I don't think it comes with a V-band. Let me see. I have the other parts right here. Comes with a package with all the parts, all the bolts you need, and a V-band. And V-bands. I think this might have, I hope it has a gasket. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be SOL. Let's see. Sit on the floor. Can't see my face, I'm sorry. Oh, here we go, gasket. We good. You're covered. I just had to make sure so when I start working on it and there's nothing. I thought it was two. Or this is a spacer. It also comes with instructions. I don't know if it explains how to do it, but it comes with instructions. Nope, it doesn't come with instructions. It just says what is in the bag, basically what's in the bag or in the box, and then it just says what they are: white pipe, rear section, left, right, extreme, and then it says tip option, blue, V3 V-bands, 3 hex bolts, 2 hex bolts, 4 fender washers. I don't know what a fender washer is, and then 2 Fuji nuts, 1 mid-pipe, graphite bolt gasket, vibrant bolt gasket, and then a metal bolt adapter. I don't know where that's at, but we'll find out. Once we start working on the car. I'm gonna put everything back. Better this way. Yeah, way better. Still on the floor. Empty living room, don't mind it. Not furniture right now. V-band, that's what it looks like. It's real nice. Real fancy. Yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. Start putting everything back. It comes with 2 ETS stickers. Where am I gonna put them? I don't know. I'm not gonna stick them to the car, I don't think. I'll maybe stick one on the car. So everybody knows I got the ETS, you feel me? You know I got that ETS on me. I put one on the car. And then probably stick the rest in the house or on the laptop or something. Yeah. Alright guys. That's gonna be the end of the video. This was just a quick unboxing of all the stuff. It would have been longer if the other box wasn't already open, because I'd have to open it and show you guys. But it's already out the box. Cat's already out the bag. It's already taken care of. I am hoping maybe tomorrow. But also gotta figure out when I'm gonna get the car tuned and everything else. It also needs to go get walnut blasted and before it gets tuned. So I don't know when that's gonna be, but I'm gonna try to record every step of the way. Show you guys how everything is going. So if you're in that same area or you just got the car or you're gonna get the WRX, so you see how it goes, like how it's done, at least how I did it, so you guys will learn. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one when we start installing everything, or maybe on the house tour, who knows, find out soon enough. Catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.